Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce our presentation on virtual agent, self-service, and automation. We'll explore how these technologies are transforming the way we work and serve customers. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover the key concepts, benefits, and real-world applications. Let's get started. Today, I want to highlight how our virtual agent can really make a difference. It helps users by guiding them through automated conversations, making support more efficient. This means that whether you're on the web, using a mobile device, or engaging through messaging platforms, the virtual agent is there to assist you seamlessly. One of the biggest benefits is that it reduces manual work for it and support teams, freeing up their time to focus on more complex issues. And as part of the ServiceNow platform, this chatbot integrates smoothly into your existing workflows. Overall, it's about creating smarter, faster support experiences that benefit both users and support teams alike. Let's talk about what makes a virtual agent really powerful. One of its core features is its ability to use natural language understanding, or NLU. This means the agent can interpret what users are saying in a way that feels natural and intuitive. It can understand questions, commands, or requests just like a human would. Because of this understanding, the virtual agent can provide instant responses to user queries, which helps improve the overall experience and reduces wait times. It's like having a quick, reliable assistant available 24/7. Another key point is that it can automate repetitive tasks. So, whenever there are routine questions or simple requests, the virtual agent can handle those automatically, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. This AI-powered conversational tool isn't just about answering questions. It's about creating a seamless, efficient interaction that supports your overall goals of improving service and operational efficiency. And that's what makes virtual agents such a valuable asset in today's digital landscape. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make this solution stand out. First, we have pre-built conversation topics, which means that the system is ready to engage users on common questions and issues right out of the box. This helps streamline interactions and reduces setup time. Next, there's seamless integration with ServiceNow modules, allowing us to connect the chat experience directly with existing workflows and data, making support more efficient and context-aware. We also support multiple channels, including Microsoft Teams, web, and mobile, so users can reach out through their preferred platform, ensuring accessibility and convenience. Contextual conversation handling is another important feature, as it enables the system to understand and maintain the context of a conversation, providing more accurate and relevant responses. And finally, the user-friendly interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for both users and administrators to navigate and manage the system without needing extensive training. All these features come together to create a powerful, flexible solution that enhances user engagement and improves service delivery across various channels and platforms. Now, let's take a closer look at how our virtual agent connects with other modules within the system. Integration is key here, as it allows the virtual agent to work seamlessly with different entities and components. For example, it can understand user intent, which is crucial for providing relevant responses. This understanding is achieved through extracting data directly from user input, making the interaction more natural and efficient. Within this framework, you'll see that there are specific steps inside each topic, guiding the conversation flow. These steps help keep the dialogue organized and ensure that the virtual agent responds appropriately based on the context. Topics and topic blocks are essential because they structure the conversation, enabling the agent to manage different scenarios smoothly. At the core of this setup is the NLU model, which is responsible for processing and interpreting user input. It helps the agent understand what the user wants, even if their phrasing varies. All of these components work together to create a cohesive virtual agent that can handle complex interactions and deliver a more human-like experience. Remember, the goal here is to connect these modules effectively so the virtual agent can deliver a seamless, intelligent conversation. So, how does a virtual agent actually work behind the scenes? Well, it all starts with natural language understanding, or NLU for short. The NLU component is responsible for identifying the user's intent based on what they ask or say. Essentially, it helps the virtual agent understand the meaning and purpose behind the user's question. Once the intent is recognized, the virtual agent then selects the appropriate topic or conversation flow to proceed with. This step is crucial because it determines the direction of the interaction, making sure we're addressing the user's needs accurately. Next, the virtual agent executes the chosen conversation flow, guiding the user through the interaction smoothly. Throughout this process, it can provide a response, such as answering a question, or perform an action, like updating a record or scheduling an appointment. This entire sequence, from understanding the user's question to delivering the right response, is what makes virtual agents so effective at providing quick, relevant assistance. It's all about creating a seamless experience that feels natural and helpful for the user. Let's take a closer look at some of the key use cases we're focusing on here. First, password resets are a common HR query, and automating this process can save a lot of time for both employees and HR teams. Then, there's handling service requests, which might include things like access to new tools or equipment. Knowledge article suggestions come into play as well. These are helpful for guiding users to self-serve solutions and reduce the volume of repetitive questions. Incident creation is another critical area. When issues or problems arise, being able to quickly log and track incidents ensures they get resolved efficiently. All of these points, password resets, HR queries, service requests, knowledge articles, incident creation, are part of the broader set of use cases that demonstrate how automation and streamlined workflows can significantly improve our service delivery and operational efficiency. Connecting these elements together, the goal is to provide faster, more accurate support, and ultimately a better experience for everyone involved. Let's take a look at some of the key benefits of implementing a virtual agent. First, we see reduced workload. By automating routine inquiries, your team can focus on more complex and strategic tasks, which ultimately boosts productivity. Next, improved user experience is a major advantage. Customers and users receive faster, more consistent responses, leading to higher satisfaction. Cost-effective automation is another critical point. It helps cut down operational costs by minimizing the need for extensive human support, making your support system more efficient overall. And of course, faster response times are essential. When users get quick answers, it enhances their experience and helps resolve issues more swiftly. Altogether, these benefits highlight how a virtual agent can significantly optimize your support operations and contribute to your overall goals. Now, let's look at how this solution provides continuous support. It offers 24/7 automated assistance across multiple platforms, ensuring users get help whenever they need it, no matter the time or device. This significantly improves the user experience by delivering quick and accurate responses, which helps build trust and satisfaction. What's also important is how seamlessly it integrates with Flow Designer, enabling end-to-end automation. This means we can streamline complex workflows and reduce manual effort. And finally, the system is designed to support scalable and standardized service processes, so as your organization grows, your support operations can grow with it smoothly. Overall, this slide highlights how automation and integration work together to deliver reliable, efficient, and scalable support, key themes that tie into the broader goal of transforming our service delivery.